Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best Copycat Subway Baja chicken and bacon sub sandwich. Okay, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some bread. This is a French bread right here. I got this at Walmart for $1. This is rotisserie chicken right here. We're going to be using that, the breast part of it. Show you how that looks. We're just going to chop this up, guys. And we have some pepper jack cheese right here. Okay. We have some bacon right here. This is like 6 slices of bacon, because this is pretty big bread. This is not the average Subway bread, okay? We have red onion right here, like a half of onion, chopped up, or sliced up rather. This right here is some Chipotle by Taco Bell. This is going to give you that Baja taste to it. This is some tomatoes, like beef tomatoes. And we have some lettuce right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and chop this up and we're going to start putting this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I already chopped up my chicken breast right here. You guys see that up close? That's all I did. I took both of the breasts because this is a big piece of the bread. Big piece of bread. That's all I did. I just sliced them off. That's it. Alright, and then I just chopped it up. Okay? So let's go ahead and do this bread. Now this is a lot of bread, so what I'm going to do with mine, I'm going to open it up like so, and I'm going to get some of this stuff out of there. Okay? So this is all I'm doing. Take this, you can save this, make some croutons or whatever you want to make out of it, some dressing, whatever. The best Baja chicken from Subway. Alright? Okay, we can get some of this out of here too. And I did want to thank everybody for praying for me and good health. I went through a little crisis. I had some bleeding ulcers. So thank you all. I heard all you guys' prayers. It means a lot to me. And thank you for watching my video when I was not putting out as well. I needed that, because that's how I'm able to do all this stuff, by you guys watching the video. Okay? Alright. Now that we got all of that out, what we're going to do here, we're going to come in here with our... We can come with our chicken. Let's do our chicken first. Take our chicken. They've been sliced up pretty good. Yeah, I got this rotisserie chicken from Costco. You can get you some from any of your stores, such as Kroger's or Walmart. Okay. Let's go ahead and just use all that chicken, huh? I was just trying to make sure I had enough to accommodate this big sandwich. I was going to go to Subway and just purchase the bread. I didn't know how they feel about that, so I just got one of these bread. It's easy to do. Very easy to do. Alright. Now we're going to come in here with some cheese. Slice this cheese. Like so. Take you some cheese on there. Put some on here. That's all they do, guys. I'm telling you. All they do. Alright. Alright, then we'll come in here with some bacon. And we're going to grill this, not grill this, we're going to put this in the oven and let it cook till the cheese melt a little bit. And I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I melted the cheese down, grilled it up and stuff. We're going to come in here with some lettuce. Much as you want. Come in with some tomatoes. Just like that. Some onions. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, and then we use our chipotle, our Baja sauce. It's going to come in there like this. A little bit like this. Fold this bad boy over. Like so. And there you go. Right there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this mess over here, and I'll show you guys the rest of the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. The best homemade Subway Copycat Baja chicken and bacon sub sandwich. Alright? So if you guys like this recipe, give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell. Just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love, and God bless you all.